There is currently a new update on Memefi, and this is what it's about. Once you open up your Memefi and then you click on this wallet section, look at it at the top of your screen. Apparently, they've switched it from the bottom here to the top. So if you click on it, you notice that you get to this page whereby they say your airdrop wallet, and then they show you a wallet address and the likes. Now, you also notice that if you click on this main, look at the buttons are two. There's airdrop and there's main. If you click on this main, the wallet address inside this your main is different from what is in your airdrop section. So I'm going to show you why that is so and if it is an issue to resolve. If I click on deposits, for instance, you can see my wallet is starting with OXDFD. But if I go back and on this page, you can see this wallet is OX047. Now, this is only for those that connected their wallet to OKX. Remember that task whereby we are to connect our wallet to OKX, sorry, our Memefi to OKX and the likes. This SUI task. So for those of you that have not done it, check the top of your screen. I've pinned a video there where you can watch how you can simply do the connection, even as OKX is not available for Nigerians. So you'll see the simple way in which you can use to connect it. Now, if you've connected it, then congratulations. That is why you're getting this message on this page. Now, the reason why this is like this is because Memefi is now switching from Ethereum. They initially planned to list on Ethereum blockchain, but now they will now be listing on SUI. So if you connected your OKX wallet, then this wallet displaying here is your SUI wallet from OKX. And here is how to know. On this your OKX page, remember I imported my wallet. I imported my Memefi wallet. So if I should click on this wallet, for instance, and remember, I imported my Memefi wallet. That is why this $1.51 is showing here. And it's my linear ETH. So if I click on this linear ETH, you can see this is my address. It's starting with OXDF. And if I go into my Memefi, the address is same thing with what is here. And the reason why is because I imported my seed phrase. I showed you guys how to do that. I imported my seed phrase to OKX and did connection, and that is why it is like that. Now, to know why this address is like this, you simply head into your OKX just as I've told you initially, and you want to scroll down and look for this receive button. Look at the receive here. So you click on that receive. We're going to be searching for SUI. So on this page now, you type in SUI, and there are many lists here that are listed on different blockchains. You select this first one with a flame logo. So once you click to open it, you can see on the screen here, look at the address displaying. My own address is OX047. If I head back into my Memefi bot, you can now see this is my address OX047. So this should be same thing with your own. Go and check now to see if it is appropriate. That is how your own should look like. If it is like that, congratulations, you are safe. This is a major development on Memefi, and all we simply have to do now is wait for when they actually get listed and decide to do their distribution. That's just the basic way, guys. Also, on this your OKX page, remember there is a place here where you can do your airdrop checker. I've already explained all of this in previous videos I've made. Check my channel so you can see you can check your airdrop eligibility here, and once you open it, your balance is going to be displaying. Then the date, this distribution date, you can see 7 days, 2 hours, 1 minute thereabout. So your balance is going to be showing, and that is basically it. If some of you might have questions like, can I withdraw my linear ETH since they are no longer listing on linear ETH, they are now switching to SUI. So is the linear ETH still necessary? Can I withdraw it? How do I withdraw it? That is not an issue. I'm going to answer all of those in my next videos. Now all you have to do is join my Telegram channel with the link in the description box of this video so you get updates like this. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications anytime we upload a new video.